Yeah, now I can do a little bit more free walk around of the 460 International I got from a friend, and I bought from a friend, and have the loader off of it. I think I showed that before in part of the video, but now just gonna walk around the tractor slowly and kind of does me good to actually have this on video, because sometimes when I watch the video I will notice something that might be going on. Number one, I have a power steering leak somewhere, and I'll have to figure out what's going on there. More than likely I'll have to take the radiator out and take a good look at things. It looks like they put a radiator hose on, and I believe they put a different radiator on here. I'm not sure if it was a new one. It looks really nice. The fins don't look damaged or anything like that. Excuse my breath there. Must be getting a cold coming on here. A little nasally anyway. But look at the steering shaft here a little bit. Looks like this ball here, bushing, needs to be oiled a little bit. And this is some of the things that happens to a tractor that has a loader on. It's hard to get at things unless you lift the loader way up, and it's kind of dangerous because there was no stops on them. So get a look at things here. You can see this hole here is just a little bit elongated from these two back here. I said there was 2 bolts on each side, but no, actually there's 3. So a total of 6. And let's take that loader off. All right, here is the drain, or the check for the oil, and I forget where he told me to add oil on here. I don't remember, but I'll have to do some checking on that. It might be on the other side. Right here is a pulley plate. You can actually get pulleys for these. Torque amplifier, clutch. I have a sneaking suspicion the clutch is belled, like a Bellevue washer. And Belleville, I shouldn't say Bellevue, Belleville washer. And that will probably need to be replaced. I'm looking at a set of making a set of splitting sands. I don't think I'm going to buy them. I think I can make them just as easy as anything. Should be pretty easy to put together something with a welder and some metal. The PTO spins all the time, so I'll probably have to take a look at that. See if I can get that adjusted, or might have to take it off and take a look in there and see if the clutches are swelled or something. That's usually sometimes a problem. Right now I know it's running on really low oil in the transmission. I can hear the pump starving, so I'm probably just gonna quick drive it up to the shop and then see where I can figure out where to fill this thing at, this transmission at. And I tell you what, I can't remember where he told me to add oil. And if anybody knows, let me know. Maybe it's in the top of the, I think the oil is shared all the way through the rear end and transmission in this thing, as far as, and it's hydraulic oil. That was a switch from the M's, because the M's were gear lube in the back, and then the hydraulic oil was in a belly pump. Right here is this cover down here, this 6-bolt cover that looks like a football. Houses the transmission filter. That bugs me. I'm sorry. That's just kind of strange where I don't remember where he told me to fill it. I feel stupid right now. I should know. But looks like I can get a different piece of hardware cloth in there, make that look a little bit better. It doesn't look like there's much damage to the grill. Probably straighten it out a little bit right down here. Not sure if I'm going to paint the thing. You put in a lot of money on a paint job, and actually it's really not that horribly bad. Just some cosmetic fixes here and there. mechanically I want it running decent. So anyway, yeah, I cannot remember where in the world he said to add fluid. But anyway, we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Next video will be of driving it. As you see, I have a special feature of a rotating muffler. That's really cool. I like that. That's a special. That's where the actual muffler belt comes into play. It looks like I need to tighten it a little bit because it's kind of rotating a little slower today. So I better check that out. Yes, sirree. I got power now. Now to get it cleaned up. I'm pretty happy with it. Even got a spinner knob. I think I hear a rim that's creaking a little bit, or maybe the hub here might be creaking just a little bit. It's kind of common on these. Hopefully nothing is busted on it. Runs nice. Torque amplifier works. PTO does work, but it doesn't shut off, so something I'll have to check into. More than likely with a load on it, it'll probably be off, but I don't really like that when they spin like that. They should shut off when you shut them off. Yeah, this was the jump between the M, and then there was the Super, or the MTA, Super MTA, and then there was the 400, and then it was the 460s, 560s, I should say, H, include H and 300s in there. Went from H, Super H, 350 to or 300 to 350, then to 460, and then they made a change in there, and I got in on this change with this one. This is the 60 model, and I think it's 59 or 58. When they came out, the rear ends were too light in them, so they did some work with them. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a new pre-cleaner and cover. That one's kind of dented up and stuff, but that stuff I'm sure is readily available. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got here. This will give me some power. Hopefully I can find a fast hitch or a 3-point for it and then throw a snowblower on it. We've kind of been missing that. I got a post hole digger with it, but I haven't picked it up yet. So that's something I'm kind of looking forward to using. So, well, let's end this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.